Breaking up with a car is tough, especially when it involves a car, truck, or SUV that doesn't live up to expectations. Whether it's a disappointing purchase, high operating costs, reliability issues, or not living up to expectations, many new car owners part ways with their vehicles within the first year of ownership. A recent study by IC Cars has revealed the list of new car models that owners are most likely to dump within the first year. The automotive research firm analyzed more than 46 million vehicle transactions to determine the number of new cars that were resold as used within the first year. We've compiled a list of non-such cars ranked from least popular to most popular. Before you continue, please take a second to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on new videos. Number 9. Nissan Versa. The Nissan Versa is an entry-level, basic car. It is incredibly affordable, but has a poor reputation for reliability. According to Consumer Reports, the latest model of the Versa has very low owner satisfaction. It lacks many features that are standard on competitors. The dull design and minimalist equipment can be tiresome for owners who want more. The only engine available is a 1.6-liter four-cylinder with 122 horsepower. Most trims come with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. Consumer Reports testers noted that the car struggles to cope with quick merges on the highway or hill climbs with a monotonous engine hum. Perhaps that's why 8.7% of buyers said goodbye to the Versa and Versa Note in the first year of ownership. Simplicity is good, but too much simplicity can be tiresome. Number 8. Jaguar XF. The Jaguar XF is arguably the most agile mid-size luxury sedan around. It features lively steering and a soft, balanced suspension that makes it a joy to drive. The 2021 update brings changes to the interior and exterior, but only a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine is now available, as the 3.0-liter supercharged V6 has been discontinued. The new front-end design includes a grille with lower air intakes and new double J LED daytime running lights. However, the styling and sleek lines of the car can't keep buyers if the car's ownership experience leaves much to be desired. The XF suffers from underperformance, reliability issues, and, most problematically, high running costs. Overall, 8.8% of buyers experienced problems and dumped their Jaguar XF before the end of the first year of ownership. Number 7. BMW X3. The updated third-generation BMW X3 improves on its predecessor's achievements while maintaining its title as one of the best-handling compact SUVs. It seems that BMW simply makes its SUVs a little bigger with each new version, but the new X3 proves its exceptionality with a successful combination of driving pleasure, comfort, luxury, practicality, and high-tech features. BMW's turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivers ample power that comes on almost immediately when you step on the gas pedal. Although the compact SUV received above-average satisfaction ratings from Consumer Reports, most gave it low marks for value. That may be why 9% of owners gave up on this mid-size BMW SUV after less than a year of ownership, despite its luxurious technology and excellent handling. Number 6. BMW X1. BMW's numbering system makes it easy to see where the X1 fits in the SUV hierarchy. It's BMW's smallest and most affordable crossover. The second-generation model, launched in 2020, is spacious and fuel-efficient for an entry-level luxury SUV, and it's loaded with tech. However, it loses some key BMW qualities, such as agility and refinement. While the turbocharged four-cylinder engine provides enough power for a confident drive, the X1 lacks the familiar BMW magic. It's not as fun to drive as we've come to expect from the brand, and it's not as quiet or comfortable as you'd expect from a luxury model at this price. Consumer Reports gave the 2021 BMW X1 its lowest owner satisfaction rating. Drivers report that the X1 is noisy on the highway and the ride can be harsh on rough roads. This led 10.4% of buyers to decide the X1 isn't worth keeping for more than a year. Number 5. Mini Clubman. The Mini Clubman is a stretched version of the Mini Cooper hatchback, built on the same platform as the BMW X1. The turbocharged four-cylinder engine is powerful and sounds sporty, and the handling is nimble, but the suspension is very firm and there's a noticeable amount of road noise. Unlike the regular Cooper, the Clubman's rear controls take some getting used to, but they eventually make sense. Rear visibility is limited by the dual rear doors. With typical options, the Clubman quickly approaches $40,000. The 2021 model received a 2 out of 5 owner satisfaction rating from Consumer Reports. Negative reviews, high maintenance costs, and below-expected driving likely contributed to 10.7% of buyers parting ways with the Clubman in their first year of ownership. Number 4. Land Rover Evoque. Don't be fooled by the Evoque's attractive styling, flashy interior, and Land Rover brand prestige. This overpriced luxury SUV has a disappointing powertrain, a harsh and uneven ride, and confusing controls. Consumer Reports testers say the new Evoque is the least talented compact luxury SUV, but it's also the most expensive. The frustration begins as soon as you step on the gas pedal. There's a delay when starting off, followed by a sharp jolt of power when the turbo finally kicks in. The automatic stop-start system is also slow to restart, making matters worse. The transmission's shifts aren't particularly smooth, and downshifts don't happen quickly enough when you press hard on the gas pedal. The small SUV received poor ratings for reliability and owner satisfaction, according to Consumer Reports. High running insurance and servicing costs meant that 10.9% of buyers abandoned the Evoque after less than a year. Number 3. Land Rover Discovery Sport. The Discovery Sport stands out from the crowd with only one unique feature: the ability to seat 7. It's powered by the same 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 246 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque as the Evoque. While the British Royal emblem is a stylish touch, it doesn't quite live up to its billing. The Discovery Sport is capable of light off-roading thanks to some electronic systems, but disappointing fuel economy of around 25 miles per gallon, a sluggish transmission, poor reliability, and an unreasonable starting price of over $44,000 are just some of the reasons why 11.8% of owners have given up on the SUV within 12 months. The Discovery Sport also loses value faster than average, which could also have influenced owners' decision to get rid of it. Number 2. BMW 3 Series. The BMW 3 Series has always been the benchmark for sports sedans. The Bavarian company's smooth and powerful turbocharged engines and balanced chassis make the 3 Series the choice for drivers who want a combination of luxury, power, and handling. The powertrain in the 330i xDrive trim is nearly flawless. The turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivers plenty of power, and the 8-speed automatic shifts quickly and smoothly. The car launches without turbo or transmission lag, providing more than enough performance for any situation. However, all that glitters is not gold. The 3 Series suffers from high insurance and running costs. As a result, 11.8% of buyers parted ways with the mid-size BMW in the first year of ownership. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class is the German brand's mid-size luxury sedan, which is gradually becoming a mini version of the S-Class. The styling now follows the design of larger sedans, and the technology and luxury inside are in line with the older models. Despite its upscale looks and features, the C-Class was the most likely car on this list to leave its owners in the first year, with 12.4% of buyers giving up on the sleek sedan. High maintenance, insurance, and total cost of ownership likely played a key role in the high return rate. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to stay up to date with our future videos.